Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about a good topic which is very much needed for everyone those who are working in an organization. Not only in organization, even the people want to learn this particular topic that will help us for our regular life. The topic is meeting and Tirukkural. Meeting and Tirukkural. Meeting is one part, is a major part. We can have a different meaning for this meeting, like discussion. Lot of things is there. How we have to talk in the meeting and how we have to speak before the people. It may be an organization, it may be an institution, it may be anywhere. When you are going for attending meeting, how to talk. We have a lot of information in a communication development and communication skills. Even though I had chosen 3 important kurals from Tirukkural, which is 100% explained about this meeting, how to talk in meetings. This was explained by, clearly given by Thiruvalluvar more than 2000 years before, how we have to talk. Normally, in our general life, we often get this dialogue from our senior people. Idam porul eval. Idam arindu, porul arindu, we have to talk. The same type of things we can get this information from this Kural also. I am going to tell about 3 important Kurals which is 100% match with meeting. I have chosen 3 important Kurals. One is 712, 714 and 715. This 3 Kural, not only these 3, apart from this, the whole chapter from 711 to 720, all these Kural which is clearly given about the how to talk, Avai Aridal, from the chapter of Avai Aridal, how to talk to the people and how to talk in the meeting, how to talk in the public speaking, how to talk to the students, how to talk to the superior, how to talk to the customer, how to talk to the different areas, based upon the whoever it may be the opponent, how we have to talk. This was clearly given by Thiruvalluvar in 3 different Kurals. The first Kural, 712, இடை தெரிந்து நன்குணர்ந்து சொல்லுக சொல்லின் நடை தெரிந்த நன்மையவர். The explanation, the direct explanation for this Kural is, a good man to whom the arts of eloquence are known should seek occasion meet and say what will they have to meet. This is an explanation given by the particular Kural. What we have to learn from this Kural? Idai terindu nangunarndu. We have to, nangunarndu means we have to know where we are and which place we are. We have to learn from that. We have to understand first. Nangunarndu. Solluga. We have to talk. Sollin nadai terindu nanmaiyavar. Based upon the place, based upon the environment, based upon the particular place, whatever it is, we have to talk. This is a clear explanation for this. Let the good who know the uses of words speak with a clear explanation based upon the place. The next Kural number 714, this was clearly given for the same type of meetings, how we have to attend the meeting and how we have to talk the meeting in the organization. Kural number 714, ஒளியார் முன் ஒள்ளியராதல் வெளியார் முன் வான் சுதை வண்ணம் கொளல். Probably the Tamil particular word may be tough to understand. When you read any Kural, whatever it may be, this Kural or any Kural, if you read 1, 2 or 3 times continuously, you can easily understand. It will be self-explanatory for you. I repeat this Kural 714. ஒளியார் முன் ஒள்ளியராதல். ஒளியார் முன், before the person who is shining, bright person. ஒளியார் முன் ஒள்ளியராதல். We have to be equal. வெளியார் முன் வான் சுதை வண்ணம் கொளல். வெளியார் means who you don't know or who is not having the bright knowledge. For that people, when you are talking to that particular people, we are supposed to be equal to them. We should not showcase or we should not uplift our brightness towards the person who is very dull. The person who is very bright, we have to be bright. So this is the 2 things we have to follow in all the areas. When you are meeting someone in the company, that person is a very good knowledgeable person. We are supposed to learn from them. We have to be equal to the particular knowledgeable person. That is Oliyar mun Oliyar adal. Veliyar mun vansudai vannam kolal. What do you mean that in the sense? If you meet someone who is not having knowledge how to talk, which is not having knowledge about the particular thing, you are supposed to behave the same as usual. If you showcase or if you uplift your knowledgeable things are before the dull person, that will not be creating an interpersonal behavior. This was clearly given by Thiruvallur in the Kural number 740. What is the explanation exactly given for this particular one in the English meaning for this? Before the bright one, be supposed to shine as a doth the light. Before the dull ones, be as a purest stucco white. That is the explanation given for this particular Kural. The third one, Kural number 715. In this particular Kural, he had given another explanation about how to talk. What is the Kural is? நன்னென்ற வர்ருள்ளம் நன்றே முதுவருள் முந்து கிளவா செறிவு. நன்னென்ற வற்றுள்ளம் நன்றே முதுவருள் முந்து கிளவா செறிவு. Kural number 715. Missed at good things, the best is a modest grace that speaks not first before the elder face. That is the explanation given in that. When we want to learn about this particular things, we are supposed to get information based upon the meetings. What is the Kural explanation is, when we have to talk humility to maintain, at the same time we are supposed to learn from this. The same Kural which is clearly given in the 715 also. What is that? No, ஆற்றின் நிலை தளர்ந்ததற்றே வியன் புலம் ஏற்றுனார்வார் முன்னார் இழக்கு. That is the explanation. No, the humility to maintain silence before superiors. If you are meeting someone who is more than your designation, it may be a manager or it may be a leader, it may be a headmaster, it may be a principal, it may be anybody. Those who are above your designation, you are supposed to maintain silence. That time you should not open your mouth and you should not talk much about the particular thing. That will be the giving misrespect to the particular superiors. That is the explanation given by from the Kural number 715. ஆற்றின் நிலை தளர்ந்ததற்றே வியன் புலம் ஏற்றுனார்வார் முன்னர் இழக்கு. The humility to maintain silence before anybody. It may be a superior, it may be a leader, it may be a manager, it may be a teacher, it may be whoever it may be, based upon your above your designation, is the best of all good qualities. That is the best quality. When you are loose talking, when you are talking unnecessarily towards anyone, that will always hurt. Again, I repeat one more Kural which is always in my previous video also I had discussed about. தீனார் சுட்டப்புண் உள்ளாரும் ஆராதே நாவினால் சுட்டவடு. We should not talk because one of the worst sense in our body is tongue. When once you talk something, it won't revert back. It will be registered. It may be a good things or it may be bad things. So same thing given here. When you are seeing someone above your designation, you are supposed to maintain silence. When you talk more before the superior, that will always make you to comes down. That is not a good quality of a person. You may be a educated person, you may be an experienced person, you may be a good professional person, you already have a lot of people you have met. At the same time, if you are working in an organization, if you meet your superior, you are supposed to maintain silence. If you raise your voice before superior, that will always decrease your quality, decrease your courage, decrease your quality of the particular attitudes. So this we have to follow when you are attending the meetings. These are all the three important Kurals. We have to learn how to attend the meetings. This was clearly given by Thiruvallur. I hope you enjoy this session. We will meet you in another session, in another video presentation with a different topic which is directly matched with management concepts. I had posted the videos only. I had matched with Indian management wisdom and Western management. Indian management, I took only Tamil literature like Thiruvallur, Thirukkural, Avvaiyar Moodurai, Silappathigaram, Kambaramayana, Mahabharatam, Panchatantra, all these things only I had chosen. From that, we have to learn lot of things because we are focusing on Western management often. Lot of source, lot of literature we have available in our own soil itself. 2000, 5000 years before, our legend people, those who are in Tamil Nadu, mainly from Tamil, mainly from South India, they had given excellent information about how to behave and what is a life skill, how to behave as a human being. Everything we can learn from this particular Tamil literature. So I am going to match all the management concepts with Thirukkural, Bhagavad Gita, Ramayana and everything. I hope you enjoy this session. Please share this to all your friends and relations. Please subscribe these channels and thank you very much for your kind support. We will meet you in another video with a good presentation. Thank you.